The following message has transmitted at the request of the Craft County Police Department. An individual has been spotted near the lab. If you see this, be vigilant. All residents be vigilant. Stay tuned for media outlets for this information.
The following message has transmitted at the request of the Craft County Police Department. The individual has been revealed. His name is Evil Madley. If you see Evil Madley, stay away from him. Stay tuned for more media outlets for this information on this dangerous situation.
The following message has transmitted at the request of the Craft County Emergency Management Agency. The Infinity Laboratory is experiencing a reactor core meltdown. When it explodes, the explosion radius will be 120. All residents within 120-mile radius of the Infinity Labs are advised to evacuate. At this time, stay tuned on your radio. Stay tuned for more media outlets for this information.
The following message had transmitted at the request of the Craft County Emergency Management Agency. Go to your fallout shelter now. An explosion has occurred in North Mine City, causing catastrophic damage. All residents that is far away from Infinity Labs are advised to get in a fallout shelter. And you're in a car, going to Infinity Labs, turn to an emergency center. Stay tuned for more info on this dangerous situation.
I cannot take this anymore. All this explosion. I cannot take this anymore. How can I even stop a meltdown? The shutdown terminal never works. Just going to grab my knife.
Breaking news. Epic Bowmaster friend Madley has been found dead in his house, and new news is that Infinity Laboratory has blew up. We will talk about this topic after these few programs.
Message has transmitted at the request of the Craft County Emergency Management Agency at 6:05 p.m. Minecraft Standard Time. Nuclear meltdowns has occurred all over Minecraft for the following counties: Redstone County, Ender County, Brick County, Craft County, and Netherite County. This is a life-threatening situation. Most will stand safely, but some may fall down. This is the goddamn Minecraft. We will always survive, even though we have nothing to do to stop this. Thanks for your cooperation during this broadcast. This is the final broadcast of the emergency alert system. Repeat, this is the final broadcast of the emergency alert system. We will now cease transmission.
That was a message